Hi, my name's Steve and welcome to the Seaside Allotment channel. And normally when I open these videos I say, oh, I'm in the polytunnel, it's a fantastic day today, but it's not. It's raining, it's windy and it's cold, and I'm down here harvesting, so I thought I'd just show you that yeah, it's not all sunshine and smiles down the allotment, not every day. Well, that's the basics of the harvest sorted out. Just got to get it all packed up now. But it's looking pretty grim out there today, especially on a day like today. I've got the greenhouse to pack in and try and keep this trellis table clear, because we do a harvest like this twice a week. So I'll just quickly show you what we've got today. So we've got broad bean tops, really lovely spinach actually at this time of year, fantastic. And some chard leaves with a few perpetual spinach leaves mixed in. Chard's in the wrong one there. And oh, we've got some really lovely Romanesco and some Calabrese, purple sprouting broccoli. Oh, and these are little sprout tops, fantastic. I love sprout tops. What have we got there? So these are smoothie mixes, 3 smoothie mixes for me, and the smoothie mixes are a real treat at the moment. We've got miner's lettuce, we've got some of those broad bean tops, we've got some chicory leaves, we've got some radish leaves, and all sorts of brassicas. So fantastic. And then we've got our mixed brassicas. So we've got a bed of really crunchy cabbage, and then we've got purple sprouting broccoli, kale, purple kale, really lovely little brassica mixes. And we've got our salads, all sorts of different salad leaves, loads of lettuces, spring onions, spring onion tops. We've got lots of rocket, Mizuna, baby red giant mustard, all sorts of stuff in there, fantastic. And just a couple of leeks and some celery, and that's it. Pretty happy with that. I feel much better now than I did when I started. Go, March harvest. Feels like winter, but anyway, job's done. See you soon.